What's up, hustlers? It's your boy, Codehova, Fly Combinator. We're continuing on with iOS Hustla, and the next topic is the navigation controller. And again, since I got that touch bar and it's highlighting, I'm gonna hit that blow. We are going to knock this motherfucker out the park. All right, so we're on lesson 9 of our week 1, just destroying Dev Mountain's iOS syllabus. So let's just create a new project. All right. And this is going to be another single page app, 0109 navigation controller. All right. So we're just going to create that. I don't know why it's not filling up the whole screen. All right, there we go. So let's just run it on iPhone 8. I guess I should have ran it on iPhone 8 Plus from the jump, but we'll just keep it pimping. All right, so let's just go look at our storyboard while we have it, and as you can see, we just have a blank screen. That's good, because that's what we got. So how can we create a navigation controller with what we are already working with? This is how you do it. So if you already have a view controller in your screen, and this is the one that's showing up on your simulator, on your device, what we could do is we just click on this view controller, and on editor, we go to embed in navigation controller. All right, so it's going to drop in this navigation controller screen, and it's going to be connected to this. And this connection right here is that this is the relationship. The relationship is going to be the root view controller. So you got to kind of think of this navigation controller as some sort of external container on the storyboard. And the storyboard, it's like this navigation controller, this navigation bar is on the top, but in this screen area is going to be your root view controller that's in the navigation controller. So just to show you an example, it's like we're going to work with this view, and we're just going to change this color to red. All right, we're going to deal with this red. It's nice. And as you see, it's like a little see-through. It's white, but it's has an alpha of probably like half that you can see through. But the navigation bar is going to be here. So if we run this, all right, we're going to get a navigation bar and also our red view controller. And what we could do on this navigation controller is we could edit shit. Is right now it's translucent. So if we look on the simulator, it's kind of see-through. So that's translucent. I don't want it to be translucent. I want that shit to be, a solid color without me being able to see like a light reddish, pinkish look. Boom. So now it's white. So what can we do? So we could change that color. Change it to yellow. All right. So now it's looking like Mighty Mouse. So there you go. And what we could do is we're going to create a new screen. We're going to drop a new view controller in here, right? And when you have view controllers like this, what we could do is just create a button. This button, let's place it in the center. We're going to set these constraints so that it's always in the middle of any kind of device. We're going to change the text color to white. Okay. And we're going to also make the background black. Damn, it really looks like Mighty Mouse. Mighty Mouse, or it looks like Sonic the Hedgehog's enemy. And we're just going to say go to next screen. Okay. So we have a button on our root view controller of our navigation controller. And what we want to do is when I press this button, I want to go to this next screen. All right. So we have that. And then what I'm going to do is we're going to select the button, hold control, and then we're going to drag, and then we're going to drop on this new view controller that we just dropped. And what we're going to do, it's asking us what kind of action segue do we want to rock with. And for this example, we're going to do show. Okay. So boom. When we drop that into this new view controller, when I press this button, it's going to move to this new screen. And when I go to that new screen, you see, for free, we get this back button. All right. And let's run it. Let's see what we're working with, man. We're building apps. So it's going to go from a red screen to a white screen. Boom. So that's what a navigation controller gives you. This is the technology that Apple has created for you to use seamlessly, effortlessly, easily in your applications. All right. So that's the power that navigation controllers give you. So another thing with the navigation controller is we could edit the title. So the title, we could say Mighty Mouse. All right. And then on the back, let's just make it say, instead of saying Mighty Mouse, we want it to just say back. Boom. All right. So if we run that, we have pretty much seen a good chunk of the functionality of a navigation controller. Okay. So we're on and rocking. All right. So we're going to move on to the next topic, which is tab bar controllers, but we're going to continue on using the same 01019 navigation controller project file. All right. It's your boy, Codehova, Fly Combinator. Live streams every 5 p.m. on Sundays. You dig? EST.